Students, now we will begin with exercise 4.5. Draw the following. Question 1 is the square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. So we have to draw this square READ, and the measurement of one side, that is RE, is given to us. So the first step to do is to draw a rough figure. So we will draw a square. This square is READ, and measurement of RE is 5.1 centimeter. This is RE. Now in case of square, we know that the measurement of all sides of the square is equal, that is all sides are equal to one another. So since RE is 5.1 centimeter, similarly all the sides of this square will measure 5.1 centimeter. So now we have all the sides of this figure. Now one more thing we know about the square, that all angles of a square are right angles, that is they make an angle of 90 degree. So each angle is a 90 degree angle. So this is also 90 degree. So here we have all the sides as well as all the angles of this square. So we will begin with our construction. So the first step to do is to draw the base. The base here is 5.1. So draw the base here 5.1. So this is RE, and measurement of this RE is 5.1 centimeter. Now we will construct angles R and angle E. Angle R is 90 degree. So we will construct 90 degree with the help of a compass. So keep your compass pointer on point R and draw an arc of any measurement. Keeping the same measurement, we will cut this arc into 3 parts. So 1 and 2. So we got 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. This is 60 degree angle and this is 120 degree angle. We know that our angle 90 lies between 60 and 120. So we will bisect this part to get angle 90. So keep the compass pointer on this arc, this point, and draw an arc above. With the same measurement, keep your compass pointer on another arc and draw this arc. Okay, so we got this point of intersection. So now we will join both these points, point R and this new point. So this is our 90 degree angle. So we have constructed angle R, which is 90 degree. We will do the similar procedure for to construct angle. We will draw an arc keeping the compass pointer on point E, and with the same measurement we will cut this arc into 3 parts. Okay, so this is our 60 degree angle and this is our 120 degree angle. So we will bisect this part to get our 90 degree angle. So draw an arc from one arc, and with the same measurement draw an arc from the another arc. So we got this point of intersection. So now we will join this point and point E. So we got the measurement of, so we got the angle E, which is 90 degree. So now we have constructed angle R and angle E, and now we will construct side AE. So side AE is of the measurement 5.1 centimeter. So take 5.1 centimeter on the scale. This is 5.1 centimeter. Now I will keep the compass pointer on point E and draw an arc here. Similarly, RD is also 5.1 centimeter. So keeping our compass pointer on point R, we will draw an arc on this side as well. So this is our point A and this is point D. This is 5.1 centimeter and this is also 5.1 centimeter. So now just join both these points, point D and A, and our square READ is ready.